Assalamualaikum students. I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start the reading of Social Studies Class 1. Lesson number 4, Caring Friends. It is nice to have friends. Friends care for us. We enjoy with our friends. We do so many things with our friends. Take a look. What do friends do? We share things. We help each other. We study together. We love talking to each other. Friends at school. We play together. We like to visit each other with our parents. We care for each other's feeling. Friends playing. What are good friends? Good friends listen to each other's problems. Good friends always shake hands when they meet. They always use good words for each other. They do not talk against their friends when they are not there. Greet with pleasure. They stop their friends from fighting. They do not laugh at their friends' mistakes. They do not lose their temper with each other. Good friends always play friendly matches. Exercise. How well do you know your friend? My best friend. Okay. Now you have to write here name of your best friend, age, her or his age, favorite dress, favorite game, favorite color, favorite cartoon, does not like. You have to fill this according to your friend. Okay, now next is the match the two columns. It is done here in the notes. Good friends like to visit each other with their parents. Good friends stop their friends from fighting. Good friends always shake hands when they meet. Good friends always use good words for each other. Words meaning: together, इकट्ठे, care, हिफाजत, stop, रुकना, fighting, लड़ाई करना, गलतियाँ, mistakes, गलतियाँ. Dictation words: friend, against, talk, always, meet.